If you're into fine videoing, then please do not watch the following. If you don't care about how the video looks, then enjoy.
Situation's good. Weather perfect. Several yard sales to hit. It's yard sale Saturday. I think the streak has ended. I am getting killed. It's bad. I've got one blow mold Halloween. That's it. And I'm getting close to yard sale overtime. Report back in a second. Finally got a console Silvertone radio, and it works. Record player radio. I'm stoked. Just got a lead on some beer cans. I got that blow mold. I've got that right there's console stereo. That works. Record player. It's going to play all my old funky stuff. And that's about it for up this way. So now it's yard sale overtime. No hits on yard sale overtime. None.
This is the old. It was too far gone to fix. Very cool looking, but I never got it to play. Pick up today's this Silvertone record player radio combo. 50s or 40s probably. One speaker. It played when I left. The record player did. Now, as I got it home, of course, it won't play. But the radio works, so maybe it's something of mine, or I'll clean her up and try to fix it. So far, it only picks up country music. But I will remedy that.
Today pretty much stunk. Everywhere I went pretty much stunk. This Harry Humstone saying later.